Hello everyone, myself Sneha Shah from LG Institute of Engineering and Technology from the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Today I will explain you about rank correlation coefficient from the subject of probability and statistics. This rank correlation coefficient is different from the correlation coefficient in the form of if any random variables x and y is given to you, then from the distribution, if you are finding what is the relationship between these two random variables, then it is considered as correlation coefficient, as we had seen in the last session. Now today you will learn about the rank correlation coefficient. So for that, first of all we have to give the rank of this random variable, and then we will defining what is the relationship between these two ranks. So it will consider as a rank correlation coefficient. Now it will be defined by using the one theory, which one is Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. So starting with this, if we want to find out rank correlation coefficient, it will be defining by the term r. The value of r equals to 1 minus into summation d square upon n square minus 1. So by using this equation we will finding the value of rank correlation coefficient. Now in this, what is the term d indicating? The term d indicates that it's a difference of rank of x with rank of y. So if we are taking the difference between these two, it will gives us the difference d. Now what is the value of n? N is considered as number of samples, right? So by using this we can find out rank correlation coefficient of any distribution. Now this can be defined by using some examples. The first example is two participants in a contest are ranked by two judges, Judge X and Judge Y, right? As follows. So this distribution is given to you. Now you have to calculate the rank correlation coefficient. So how will you find the rank correlation coefficient? So starting with this distribution, I will write this distribution in column form. So it will be written like this: rank by first judge, it is considered as x. So I will writing all this term of x over here. So 1, 3, 7, 5, 4, 6, 2, 10, 9 and 8. Similarly, I will write rank by second judge. It will consider as y. Its distribution will be written like this: 3, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, 7, 8, 10 and 2. Now if we will taking the difference between these two, it means it will gives you the difference of x minus y. It is considered as difference d, right? So the difference of these two ranks will be considered as difference d. And if we are taking the difference of these two, 1 minus 3 means minus 2. Likewise we will finding all these values: 7 minus 4 3, 5 minus 5 0, 4 minus 6 minus 2, minus 3, minus 5, 2, minus 1 and 6. 8 minus 2 equals to 6. Now we want to find out the value of d square. Now what is the value of d square? Square of this means 4, 4, 9, 0, 4, 9, 25, 4, 1 and 36. If I am adding all this value, it will gives us answer of summation d square, and answer of it equals to 96. Now you can see that the value of r equals to, what is the equation of r? The equation of r equals to 1 minus 6 summation d square upon n into n square minus 1. Now from this, if you want to find out the value of n, what is the value of n? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So value of n equals to 10. If we will putting this all the value, it will gives us answer of, this one is 6, 9, summation d square means 96 upon 10 into 10 square means 100 minus 1. If we'll simplifying this, answer of it equals to is equals to 0.418. So this one is the rank correlation coefficient, and this way we can find out rank correlation coefficient. Second example is 10 competitors in a musical test were ranked by the 3 judges A, B and C in the following order: rank by judge A, rank by judge B and rank by judge C is given to you like this. These are the 10 competitors. So we can say that number of samples n equals to 10. Now using the rank correlation coefficient method, find which pair of judge has the nearest approach to the common linking in the music. It means if we will finding the rank given by this, from that we will finding the rank correlation coefficient, and the value of rank correlation coefficient value is which one has the highest or largest value, it has more nearest approach of common linking in the music. So starting with this, first of all I will writing that if we will finding there are three judges, right? So I will write the rank correlation coefficient between, we will find the rank correlation coefficient between these two judges, it will consider as R1, between these two judges it will consider as R2, and between this A and C it will consider as R3. Now from the equation we can say that 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n into n square minus 1. This one will be, equation will remain same for all this term, right? But only the difference is we have to compare this two term. It means when we will taking this difference for this two term, it will consider as B1. So over here I will write D1. Similarly, if we will finding the difference between these two, it will consider as B2. So I will write this equation as 1 minus 6 sigma d2 square upon n into n square minus 1. Similarly, I will find the difference between A and C, it will consider as difference 3. It will be gives an equation like 1 minus 6 sigma d3 square divided by n into n square minus 1. Now for this, first of all we have to find out the value of d1, and then we have to find d square, d1 square, d2 square and d3 square, and then we have to find out summation of all this term, and then we will put all this value in this equation, so we can find out the value of R1, R2 and R3. So starting with one table form, like I will write the table in this form: rank by A, it is considered as X. Now the second term it will consider as rank by judge B, it will consider as X. Then the next term is rank by C, it will this one is considered as suppose Y, and this one is considered suppose as Z. Now if we will taking the difference between these two terms, it will gives you the answer as x minus y equals to distance d1, right? Similarly, we will finding the value of d2 as difference between y and z. So y minus z will gives you the answer as d2. Similarly, we will finding the d3 value as z minus x. And at last we will finding the value of d1 square, d2 square and d3 square. So first of all I will write all the values in the column form. So if I am writing in the column form, then it will write like this: x is given to you like this, 1, 6, 5, 10, 3, 2, 4, 9, 7 and 8. Now rank B is given to like this: 3, 5, 8, 4, 7, 10, 2, 1, 6 and 9. Similarly, I will find out rank given by judge C, which is considered as Z. So it will be written like this. You had already given this term as a 6, 4, 9, 8, 1, 2, 3, 10, 5, 7. Now first of all we want to find out value of D1. What is value of D1? X minus y. 1 minus 3 means minus 2. If we are finding D2, then y minus z. 3 minus 6 minus c. Z minus x means 6 minus 1 means 5. Likewise, we will finding all these values. So it will give you the answer as 1 minus 3 6 minus 4 minus 8 2 8 1 minus 1. Similarly, I will find out value of D2 as 1 minus 1 minus 4 6 8 minus 1 minus 9 1 and 2. This one is minus 2 4 minus 2 minus 2 0 minus 1 1 minus 2 and minus 1. Now if I am taking square of this, minus 2 square means 4. Likewise, I will finding all the other values, so it will give us answer like this. Next, D2 square, it means minus 3 square 9, 1 square 1, minus 1 square 1. Likewise, I will finding all the other values. Similarly, D3 square means 5 square 25, 4 16, 4 4 0, 1 1 4 1. Now if I am adding all these values, so it will gives you the answer like this. Summation D1 square equals to addition of all this term will gives you 200. Addition of all this term will be summation D2 square equals to 214 and summation D3 square equals to 60. Now we will putting all these values in this equation. So 1 minus 6 sigma D1 square, value of it equals to 200, divide by n, value of n equals to 10. So 10 square equals to 100 minus 1. If we are finding this value, its answer is minus 0.21. Now similarly, we will finding the value of R2, 1 minus 6 sigma D2 square, value of it equals to 214 upon 10 into 100 minus 1 and value of it equals to minus 0.296. Similarly, this one is considered as 1 minus 6 into 60 upon 10 into 100 minus 1. If we are simplifying this, its answer equals to 0.64. Now from this we can say that the value of this is highest. So from that we can say that R3 is the correlation coefficient between A and C, right? So the judgment by judge A and C will be nearest. Now the next example is obtain the rank correlation coefficient from the following data. X and Y is given to you like this: 10, 12, 12, 18, 18, 25, 18, 25, 15, 50 and 40, 25. So from this distribution you have to find out the rank correlation coefficient. Now how will you find the rank correlation coefficient from this? So first of all, I am starting by writing this in terms of column. So X will be written like this: 10, 12, 18, 18, 15, 40. Similarly, I will write down y equals to 12, 18, 25, 25, 50 and 25. Now from this I will give you the rank. Now how the rank will be given to you? Like it will starting from this. Suppose if I am giving the rank from the lowest value, because if I am giving any one term, like suppose if I am giving this one as a rank 1, then this will gives in the negative term, so rank can't be negative, right? So we will starting from the lowest value. So lowest value, its rank equals to 1, so this value as rank equals to 2. Now this 2 will be considered, this one is, now if we will rearranging this term, like if I am taking this 12, 10, 12, 18, 18, 15, 40, right? So first of all, if I am arranging this in the ascending order, so it will written like this: 10, 12, 15, 18, 18, 40, right? Now starting with this, if I am saying that this one is rank 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I will write like this: 10, in front of 10 I will write 1, in front of 12 I will write down 2, in front of 15 I will write down 3. Now you can see that 18 has 2 18s will be there with rank 4 and 5. So for that we have to take average of this, and if we take average of 4 and 5, it will give you the answer as 4.5. So over here I will write 4.5, 4.5, and the rank of 40 equals to 6. So I will write the rank distribution like this. Similarly we will do for y. If I am arranging this in the ascending order, so it will written like this: 12, 18, 25, 25, 25 and 50, right? So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So in front of 12 I will write 1. So if we will finding rank y, in front of 12 I will write 1, in front of 18 I will write 2. Now instead of this 25, 25, 25, it will be 3 times, so its average equals to 4. So over here I will write down 4, 4, and in front of this 25 I will write 4, right? And in front of 50 I will write 6. So in front of 50 I will write over here 6. So this one is rank of y. Now you have to find out the value of difference d. What is the value of difference d? Difference d equals to the difference of rank x and the rank y, right? So I will finding the value of d. d equals to rank x minus rank y. So the next column I will take as rank d. d equals to rank x minus rank y. So first of all I will write over here d equals to the difference of rank x minus rank y. So if we are taking the difference of these two, so 1 minus 1 means 0, 2 minus 2 means 0, 4.5 minus 4 means 0.5. Likewise I will find all the values. So 0, 0, 0.5, minus 3, and the last term is 2. This one is also 0.5. Now we want to find out the next term as, after finding d, we want to find out the next term as d square. So if we are finding d square, 0 square 0, 0.5 square means 0.25, 0.25, minus 3 square means 9, 2 square means 4. And if I am adding all this value, it will give us answer of summation d square, and value of it equals to 13.5. Now we want to find out correlation coefficient rank, then it will written like this: 1 minus 6 sigma d square plus 1 by 12 m1 cube minus m1 plus 1 by 12 m2 cube minus m2. Now from where this equation will occur? Because over here many repeated terms will be there, so we will use this equation to find rank correlation coefficient. Divide by n into n square minus 1, right? So if I will finding this value, now what is the value of this? m1 cube minus m1. Now how I will finding this value? So from that, first of all I will finding the value of m1. So the value of m1 equals to, m1 means the repeated words in the random variable x. In the random variable x, there are only 2 samples which are repeated. Which one? 18 and 18, right? So the number of repeated samples will be written like 2. Similarly, if I will finding the value of m2, the value of m2 equals to repeated word in the y. So in the y there is 3 repeated words: 25, 25, 25, means 3 times it will be repeating, so m2 value equals to 3. So if you are putting the value of m1 equals to 2 and m2 equals to 3 in this equation, and summation d square is already we had find its value equals to 13.5 and the value of n equals to 6 because 6 samples are there. So because of that, if you will simplifying this term, then the value of r equals to 0.5429. So this is your final answer of rank correlation coefficient. So this way we can find out rank correlation coefficient.